it's a brand that I always buy from. So it's great to come in, support and just unveil their new collection.
अरे लाइट ऑफ करवा दो.
And yeah, thank you all for coming here and supporting me. I think awards are definitely a way of getting appreciated for your performance. And Filmfare Award, the Black Lady, is something which everyone dreams of. The moment you think of becoming an actor, you start dreaming of yourself holding that Black Lady in hand. So, of course, it feels great, but I still feel that I'm just starting right now. I'm just 1 year old. There's a lot to do. I don't think even 5 films are enough to actually show what potential you have. And I believe in just growing and making myself better. So I think starting to have it's just I'm still a beginner.
Well, I think, as I said, quality of the brand is something which is very, very important. I think values of a brand is very important. And कई बार होता है कि काफ़ी टाइम से एक ब्रांड चल रहा है तो उसकी एक जो पहचान होती है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बन चुकी होती है ऑलरेडी. एंड इट्स नोन to be a good brand, it's known for its quality of work that it does. So I think quality for me is the first thing. And of course then when it comes to fashion brands, it also depends on the looks, that if I like the particular styles that the brand offers. मैंने actually Twitter पर काफ़ी खुलकर अपना point of view रखा था because I just could not hold myself back. मैं दिल्ली में थी जब वो incident हुआ, and what I felt that time, the anger and the pain that I felt that time, I felt the same thing all over again when I saw the documentary. And I think हर इंसान को, especially men, should watch that documentary. I don't know why it is banned in our country, and I think we're just putting ourselves back into the same situation by banning it. So I think everyone should watch it, and it's very shameful whatever has happened. I mean, if I start talking, I'll just get emotional about it. मुझे एक्चुअली बिल्कुल पता नहीं है, मैं उनसे कभी मिली नहीं हूँ अब तक. बट या आई थिंक फिल्म्स जितना मैं बोल रही हूँ जैसे कि आई कांट कमेंट ऑन एनीथिंग राइट नाउ. It will be soon that I'll probably hear a lot of things. There are a lot of speculation going around. I'm also hearing a lot of stuff. But I'm actually not allowed to speak on anything right now. I just want to say that I'm in a very happy space right now as far as my career is concerned. And I like the way it's going, I like the way it's shaping. And yeah, I'll probably talk a little more later.